generate high quality B2B leads from Trade India. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the Trade India Data Extractor Tool help you collect business and contact data automatically. First, install the Trade India Data Extractor Tool from the Chrome Web Store. So you can simply install this tool. So fill the basic detail in this form. Your free version has been started, and you can simply pin the tool, and you can simply open the Trade India search for your category, copy the page URL, and paste into tool to start extraction. Alternatively, you can directly enter the search keyword and location inside the tool to generate data without opening Trade India menu. So, like the keyword, and start the process. The tool will automatically begin extracting business data from the page. You can see the live progress and view all extracted leads in a table. You can see live progress and view all the extracted leads in the table, including product image, product title, product price, company, phone, email, and add extra. Once the process is complete or stopped, the data will instantly download it as a CSV file. You can use this data for B2B lead generation, marketing campaign, sales outreach, or CRM management. That is that's it. Simple, fast, completely automated. Thanks for watching.